Hey guys, Andrew here from the warehouse in Salt Lake City. I wanted to make sure I was able to get my roll call done for the month of October, and I do think it's a cool feature. I think it's something that Simply could only benefit from, rather than, like Clayton mentioned, spending 10 hours on one project when somebody else has a solution for it. It only takes an hour, whether it's automation or just a better way of doing something. I think it'll help clear up some of the communication, which will only benefit the company, and I'm excited about it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with what I have. So something cool from last Tuesday, which was the 9th. We were able to send out 644 orders. Well, that's what ShipStation has. I think it was closer to 700. ShipStation has a cutoff time. I believe it's 4 p.m. So any orders that were processed, labels created after 4 p.m. automatically would say, oh, it's not getting sent out until the following business day. So I do think that it was closer to 700, which completely obliterated our old record of shipments being sent out in one day, which I think was around 450. So it's awesome. Shelves here are full. We are getting more shelving in. I'm working on that. And yeah, it's just an awesome time to be a part of this company. I'm super excited. Well, a few things that I was able to get finished or get started last week, the beginning of this month, before I took my little vacation. First, we were able to get a new hire, new warehouse worker. His name's Kevin. Uh, got him a little bit trained before I left, and then Josh was able to help contribute to the training and make sure things were handled while I was gone for a few days. This week, my goal is to fully train him, get him completely ramped up, so that we can be sending out, if needed, 800 orders a day, which that'd be awesome. But yeah, that's one thing that I'll be working on this week. Another thing that I was able to get completed last week, or the beginning of October before I left on my vacation, was leveraging two accounts that we have, Unishippers and Saya. Leverage them against each other to get better rates from both, and it worked. We're on the upper tier of pricing for shipments with Unishippers, and then Saya, we have some pretty good rates with them as well. So mainly we are going to be using Unishippers, but I do want to throw a Saya Freight Direct load every once in a while to keep them um, keep them happy, just so that we can keep leveraging both businesses to get the best rates. Um, but yeah, that's one thing that I was able to complete, and then uh, something else that what I'm going to be working on the rest of this month and this week really is going to be cleaning up, helping Justin, the bookkeeper, clean up SKU Vault. Have quite a few POs and PO information that I actually need to get uploaded in the SCM channel and then uploaded into the unsorted docs and Dropbox. Get all that in there for that paper trail. So in case anything with the audit comes this way, it's all taken care of, or it's all covered. And um, another thing that I've been working on today and before I left were getting quotes on our seal stickers for returns. I think that this will help with create a seamless process with returns from customer service, from the customer all the way to the warehouse. Uh, we won't have to guess if something's been opened, and then if the seal hasn't been broken, we can stock it back on our shelves, limiting shrinkage, which it'll be great for the company. So that's what I'll be working on. I have the package supplier that we've been working with actually gave me a quote, and all he needs now to finish that is the actual illustration, our design that we want to be on those stickers, whether it's going to be something really intricate or it's just going to be just say SP or whatever it may be. But I'll need to work on getting the illustration, and get that sent over to him. Um, but yeah, getting the new hire completely scaled up and ramped up, good to go. Get the POs, the SKU vault cleaned up, and then all the PO information uploaded into and scanned into Dropbox, um, and get the seal stickers and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what some things that I'll be working on this month, and I'm interested in hearing anybody's input, seeing what if they have anything that I can help with, anything like that. I have open ears, and yeah, I look forward to speaking with everybody. Ping me if you need anything, and yeah, Andrew from the warehouse. See you guys.